Hello everyone, this printer is HP DeskJet 2810e series or 2800 series. What I want to do is to show you how to align the print head from computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected both via Wi-Fi network. This is HP Smart App. To align print head, you need to select printer settings. Then go on the left side, select print quality tools. Align print heads or clear print heads. Select align print heads. Once you select on it, then give you option for you to print head alignment or next. Select print alignment page. And also make sure you have A4 paper. So it's going to print alignment page. The next thing to do, you need to take the paper, put the paper on the glass scanner. Now make sure you start from the bottom right. Close the cover. Then you select scan alignment page. Alignment completed successfully. This will help to ensure the best possible print quality. But you need to wait for the process to complete. The printer is flashing. Once it's done, the light will stop. The light will be steady. So discard this paper. So this is how to align the printer from the computer. Then you close this. So this is how to align the print head from the computer. Thank you very much indeed.